This video will briefly introduce how to use the SDK. Please watch the Getting Started and TA Debugger user guide videos or documents before watching this video. First, you need to complete the preparation work. Download the SDK compressed package from our website, unzip it and complete the environment configuration. Then open the test1 file, which summarizes the main contents of the SDK. Set the port name, which can be viewed in the device manager. Enter the serial port name, actuator ID, and serial port baud rate here. Before selecting a mode, you usually need to reset it to ensure that the actuator is in its initial state. Feedback Cycle 1 is the feedback cycle of the first status feedback packet, which includes voltage, PWM, current, speed. Feedback.cycle 2 is the feedback cycle of the second status packet, which including the position of the motor and the position of the actuator. Feedback cycle 3 is the feedback cycle of the third status packet, which including MOS tube, motor temperature, chip temperature and warning information, error information, operation mode. Set the current to 600 millisma. Get the content of the first status packet. The second to last one is the current value. Enter the profile velocity mode. Set the speed value to 1000 RPM. The input parameters are the current limit and the target velocity. Get the velocity value. Enter the profile position mode. Set the position to 2000 count. The input parameters are the limit current, the limit velocity, and the target position. This function will return the second state packet of the actuator, where the last value is the position of the actuator. Return the actuator to the 0 position. The usage of position mode is similar to that of profile position mode. Mode selection. Write position. Read position. Return to 0. Enter the MIT mode. 5 parameters need to be entered, including current, velocity, position, and KP/KD. KD are 0. Control current. Set the current value to 600 mA baud. Get current value. KP is 0, KD is not 0. Control velocity. Set the velocity to 600 RPM. The input current value is used for torque feed-forward compensation. The position value will be ignored at this time. Get velocity value. KP/KD are not 0. When the velocity value is 0, achieve point-to-point control. Get position value. This will return the content of the third status packet.